Great post, Tom. I liked your introduction on introductions. When giving an introduction, you definitely, I think that you want the subject importance. You want to emphasize how important the topic is that you're covering to grab their attention. If you're just in there casually, talking about something and act like it's not that big of a deal, your audience isn't going to think it's a big deal either. So in order to do that, I think giving personal examples is definitely something that's powerful in introductions. It's something that I use. I like to give personal examples because then that allows you to relate to your audience, and it also kind of gives them some more background about you that they may not have known otherwise. I've never really been a big quotations guy. I understand the power that it has on some people, but me personally, I've never really been a big quote guy. Humor, on the other hand, I think I would use a lot more than quotations. I think that giving some humor, making people laugh is a good way to bring you and your audience closer together. And it kind of breaks the ice in your introduction. It probably, I know for me, it helps calm my nerves. Giving examples, again, I think that kind of goes back to the personal examples. Information, I think that for me, things are powerful in three. So, maybe listing off, I want to talk about three topics. The first thing, the second thing, the third thing. That's kind of a good flow, real quick to the point. Tell them three things that you're going to touch on. And, kind of as you go to the main body of the speech, you kind of break those 3 points down. But that's how I like to do it anyways. But great post on the introduction.